Working with multi-level lists in Word can be frustrating. One frustration you may face is figuring out how to get rid of a multi-level list. This quick tip discusses how to do the removal. Let's say that you're working with a document that you inherited from somebody else. The document has a multi-level list in it, and you want to remove the list. Well, you can obviously select the text and press the delete key. That's one way to remove the list, but it also removes the content that you may want to keep. What you probably want to do is to remove the list formatting that has been applied to the list so that it's considered as regular text within the document. You can do this in a couple of ways. The first step, however, is to select the entire list that you want to affect. Once selected, take a look at the Home tab of the ribbon. In the paragraph group, you should see that the numbering icon is highlighted. Yeah, I know, it's the numbering icon. Even though it's a multi-level list, the multi-level list tool is not highlighted, just the numbering icon is highlighted. At this point, there are two paths that you can choose. You can either click the drop-down arrow next to the numbering icon, or you can click the down arrow next to the multi-level list tool. Either way, the next step is the same. Choose the None option. Word removes the numbering, as you can see. The frustrating thing, though, is that even though the numbering has been removed, the indentation used by the multi-level list is still evident. To get rid of that, the best way, assuming that the unnumbered list is still selected like it is on the screen, is to go ahead and press Control-Q. That clears any paragraph-level formatting from the list, which includes any indents. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.